Okay, we're recording? Okay, dope. What's up guys, Electric Pro here, and I said that in my last video when I was in Egypt that I was actually in Egypt, and I wasn't gonna be able to do that much videos. I only did one video where I just did an update to tell you guys why I haven't been recording, because you guys have been worried. But I'm back home. I just came back. And, yeah, so I said in my last video that I'm going to be doing videos every Sunday, so weekly videos. I said I'm also going to be doing an update on Saturday, but I've canceled that. You guys are going to be seeing this video on Sunday. But anyways, in my last video I said I was going to be doing an unboxing soon, and here it is. So, you guys remember when I did the BLU Advanced A6 unboxing a few months back? That one was, I've used it. It was pretty bad here. I actually have the phone right here. No, I can't find it. Okay, unfortunately I can't find it, but, how does the frame look? Okay, frame looks pretty good. If you're wondering what this is actually a battery pack, but it has a solar panel, so you can actually use this for solar charging. If you want me to make a review about this, tell me in the comments below. But, anyways, I guess let's get to unboxing this thing. So, I got my knife here. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see better here. Okay, so I got my knife here. So, actually, I remember, I actually did a BLU R1 HD unboxing a couple of years back. It was the 2016 version. That one, yeah, it's broken now. I don't have it anymore. But I'm gonna give BLU another shot. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna actually be switching again, and I'm not gonna use BLU anymore. I used the R1 HD 2016 version. It wasn't bad. The Advanced, pretty bad. Hopefully this one isn't bad. It has more specs, faster, has a fingerprint sensor, so a little bit better than the 2016 R1 HD. So here are the specs. So just pause the video and read them. So yeah, there they are. Alright, let's unbox this. So this is actually unlocked, so you can actually, I won't need to be like switching SIM cards or anything. Okay, so let's just cut this blue tape here. Gosh, all these unboxings are pretty fun. But, okay, so I think the box is very similar to the Advance. Okay, why is this not opening? It's very tough. Tougher than the Advance, I might say. Okay, it's not. It's seriously not even. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it just opens up like this. And look at that. So, get it out here. Pretty light. Okay. So we got this barcode sticker. Let's see what else we got in the box. So, our manual. Don't need that. We got our power brick. Cable. And some headphones. Yes, this does have a headphone jack. We have an empty bag. I'm not sure why that's there. We have a case and a screen protector. So it's weird because the Advanced A6 came in like a package for the screen protector. This one just empty. I mean, they're trying to save money, obviously. This is a plastic screen protector. I did order a glass screen protector from Super Shields. I'm not sure if which one I'll be using. If you're looking for a good screen protector for your phone, I would really recommend the Super Shields one. It's really high quality, the glass ones anyways. But let's just put these back in here for now. So this is actually the first time that a BLU phone comes with a SIM tool. Because, no, I dropped it. Alright, anyways. Because the other BLU phones actually had a removable back, but this one doesn't, apparently. No removable battery either, but yeah, okay. So, now we just got the phone. Okay, yeah, so by the way, I will be using this phone as my daily phone. And if I don't like it, then I will be switching to a different phone. But to get out of the plastic, we got some instructions in the back and the front. Okay, so pretty high quality, I guess. So, whoa, the power button's tiny. Look at that. That is like probably like half a centimeter. Dang. We got our SIM port over there. We got a speaker on the bottom. Micro USB port, which is backwards. I don't know if you can, no, you can barely even see. But microphone, and yes, this does have a headphone jack. So that's cool. Okay, so we got our camera, flash, and I'm pretty sure that's laser autofocus, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's take off this, actually no. Yeah, I guess I'll take off the plastic wrapping on the front here. Okay. So there's that. You can read that if you want. There's that. Okay. So we got our display, very nice and clean. And because I'm going to be using this as my daily... Look at that. It hides the sensor super well. Like, you can't even see the proximity sensor at all. Maybe a tiny bit if you look pretty closely. Let's see how this little case looks on here. And, that's weird. It's bent in. Okay. So, putting it in the case. Don't want to get fingerprints on this display. Whoa. Look at that. So that's coming out. Okay. So something's wrong with this case. I'm going to try to fix that. But, okay. So I guess I can install the screen protector here. Doesn't come with anything to do it. So I'm the worst at installing screen protectors. So if you want me to install a screen protector, don't ask me to install a screen protector because I will mess it up like crazy. Let's see how well I can do this. So, seeing some dust particles here, I'm going to try to get that off. This is a home button and a fingerprint sensor at the same time, which is pretty cool. So, I'm going to try to put this on. No. That is not, okay. So, nope, that is not good at all. There's dust. This is bad. Dust coming everywhere. Okay, let's keep going here. Align. Nope. Let's do bottom first. See if that helps. Nope. Oh, this is hard. Okay. And there's a piece of dust under there. Okay. This is not working out at all. Okay, align. Is that good? No, it's not good enough at all. Alright, I'm going to stop this and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so after a little bit I was able to get this on, and I did a horrible job. There's bubbles everywhere on this thing. So yeah, okay, anyways, let's turn this thing on now. So, pressing and holding the power button. There's nothing showing up. Okay, I'm going to remove this case here because it's not helping at all. Okay. Pressing and holding again. Oh, there it is. So, oh, it's a lot brighter than last time. The Advanced A6 was very dim. This one does look to be brighter. Yeah, okay. So this is also, okay. This is also 1280 by 720p panel, LCD. But it's not bad, okay. It definitely looks better than the Advanced because it does have a smaller display. Okay, there it is. So yeah, this is just like a unboxing and not like a review. The review will be coming in a few days. I know I said I was gonna do the review on the Advanced A6, but I didn't. I just couldn't get around to doing it. But I will be doing the review for this phone. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below. Turn the notification bell and comment below saying you did that so that I can shout you out in my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much it. And yeah, see you guys every Sunday. Peace, guys. Bye. See you. Yeah. Anyways, okay, this video should have ended like 20 seconds ago. Okay, stay tuned for the review, and I'll see you guys on next Sunday. Peace. Actually, bye. Peace. Bye.